More and more people are finding the value or raising their own vegetable gardens and producing vegetables which are cheaper and tastier. Homegrown vegetables are not only fresher, but are also better tasting than the commercially produced ones. On top of these benefits, you also get to enjoy the gardening experience, which can be a relaxing hobby as well. Having a vegetable garden is exactly the same as growing flowers or herbs. If you do it right and really care for your plants, you will end up benefiting a lot from them. The first thing to consider is the size of your garden. How much space do you have for it? Is it a place that has proper drainage, right air circulation, and good soil? The garden should also be in a place that the sun reaches. Most vegetable gardens are attacked by animals like rabbits and dogs, so make sure that you take measures to prevent this, such as putting up fences or laying some traps. Before you start to plant, prepare the soil for it. You can get good garden soil through proper cultivation and addition of organic products. You have to plow or till the soil to get rid of weeds and to incorporate the mulch. If your vegetable garden is small, you can do spading rather than plowing. Mulching is an important part of preparing the soil. This is when organic matter is mixed into the soil, where it releases minerals, nitrogen, and nutrients that are helpful to the plants. The best kind of mulch that you can get is compost. How much fertilizer you need depends on what plants you are growing. Leafy plants such as spinach and cabbage are better off with large amounts of nitrogen. But if you are growing root crops such as beets, potatoes, and turnips, you would need more potash. Beans and tomatoes require little fertilizer compared to onions, potatoes, and celery. You should also think about the arrangement of your vegetable garden. There isn't a single solution for all gardens since conditions vary. The general idea, however, is that the back part of the garden should be for tall plants and the short ones should be in front so that sunlight is still accessible. Once you had your area all set for your garden, and you had chosen the plants that will suit the soil and the climate, you would then have to maintain your garden with the right amount of water and fertilizer. Find out from where you bought your vegetable seedlings how often do you need to water your plants, as this will vary depending on the variety that you are planting. Never overwater, as this may destroy the roots and can ultimately destroy your plants. Find the time to take care of your garden. Make sure to get rid of weeds regularly, and check for little insects that may be doing damage to the leaves. Once you get used to spending time in your garden, you will not only enjoy the plentiful harvests, but also the good feeling of knowing that your vegetables are fresh, safe, and good for your health. Lisa Tanady has been writing articles professionally, both online and offline, for more than 4 years. She is not only writing in the subject of health, but also in dieting, weight loss, acne, and many other more.